The things you see as a trauma worker can be horrific. People mangled in car accidents, burned in fires, victims of violent crimes shot or stabbed, and even terrible things happening to children. The pain, anguish, and images of broken bodies and lives that ended too soon and too violently leave scars on first responders, emergency department personnel, and law enforcement officers dealing with dangerous people and situations. These traumas that your emergency workers experience can cause PTSD, job burnout, anger issues, feelings of guilt, anxiety, and overwhelmed, as well as high divorce rates, depression, and even suicide or suicidal thoughts. They are our heroes, and they deserve to live better, free of the negative thoughts and emotions that can overcome them, sending them in a downward spiral. What if there was a way to erase the effects of all the suffering you and your people have been through, processing trauma as it occurs, and being better able to deal with the fierce emotional demands of your job? How much better would employee retention, job performance, and overall morale be if your people had the skills to cope better, reduce situational anxiety, and feel good about their victories? This opportunity is now available to you and those entrusted to you. Quantum eye movement therapy uses a combination of therapies combined into a powerful technique that allows you to process past traumas, which will bring you more inner peace and outer focus. Your teams will be given tools that will keep them feeling good about their job and their lives. More importantly, they'll be able to process traumas as they occur, rather than keeping them bottled up inside until something has to give. The eye movement therapy that this process is created around uses the same principles used in EMDR. EMDR, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, is a highly successful form of psychotherapy in which the person being treated recalls distressing experiences while doing bilateral stimulation. There are many studies showing the effectiveness of EMDR in even the most extreme traumas. You might be interested to know that studies by the EMDR Institute, Inc. reveal that 84 to 90% of single trauma victims no longer have PTSD after just 3 90-minute sessions. Quantum eye movement therapy builds upon EMDR and can be even more effective. In this easy-to-achieve, relaxed state caused by the eye movement, you connect with the perceptions that are causing you to hold on to trauma and create a new picture with healthier perspectives. This allows you to transform the negative and sometimes toxic thoughts and emotions into positive and empowering outlooks. Add a powerful NLP or neuro-linguistic programming technique to the process, and you have the perfect triad of methods to pull someone out of a downward spiral and into a healthier, more productive way of living an impactful life of contribution. You give your team the equipment they need to gain successful outcomes, vehicles, tools, medications. They also need to feel relief now and to have the tools to deal with the emotional aspect of this courageous and demanding job. We teach powerful tools to your group and customize the number of individual sessions you wish each valued team member to have. You know your house, and we allow you to create a program that'll best serve your people. Your heroes give their all. Don't you feel they deserve to feel good about their work and their life so that they can fully engage, perform better, and have peace of mind, even in the most challenging situations? By now, you know that there's a better way for your team to process their traumas and deal with the anxiety and stress of the job. By now, you know that the system will work, allowing your people to function, feel, and do better. Say yes to your team, to your community, to yourself. Let's get together to create the perfect program for your family of heroes now. Call 561-843-4243 and ask to set a time to create your customized plan and move towards a better, brighter future for you and your organization.